Few days ago, I get a message from one of my viewer, and her name is Tania. She want to import this item. She had get some kind of operation on her hand, and after that she get some kind of infection, and her doctor recommend this advanced silicone scar sheet. Problem is this item is not available in India, and whenever we try to pay, her payment get failed. As she was not able to make the payment, she called me and requested me to import the item for her. Okay.
Please आप कर दो अभी, ठीक है.
Okay. Now I'm going to show you guys in this video how you guys can import from USA the item that is not available in India, but you really need it. Item cannot be shipped to your selected location. The seller is not shipping those items internationally, so it is no way we can pay the Amazon.com and they will ship it to my country. No, it's not going to happen. To fixing this problem, we're going to use a reshipping company, and today we're going to use boxonwings.com. So let's go to the boxonwings.com and we'll register there, and then we'll get our own shipping address, own unique shipping address. We'll ship this item to the boxonwings.com address, and from there we're going to reship it to our country. So first let's go to boxonwings.com. So you can go to Google and search for Box on Wings, boxonwings.com. So this is the website. We're going to use this reshipping company to ship our item. Now here we need to sign up, and when we sign up they will give us a US address. As you see guys, we are not able to ship this item to our own address, so what we're going to do, we're going to put their address on Amazon and ship it to this address, and from there we're going to ship it to our country. So let's click on sign up. So here is a sign up page. So you need to fill your name, Vijay, last name Roy, your email address, gmail.com. You can use your WhatsApp phone number, then country, then give yourself a password and click on sign up. I've already signed up guys, so I'm going to click on sign in. So I'll use my email address, click here to log in. So after login, you will see your address. So this is my address. I'm going to ship it to here. I'm going to add a new address here, paste everything. So name Abhijit Roy, phone number will be this phone number. Come and see your address. So I'll remove my phone number and put this phone number. Good. Double check your shipping address. If you do any mistake, maybe put a wrong phone number or any mistake, your package will not deliver to their warehouse. So make sure you put a perfect shipping address. Next, click on add address. So this is the address added. Now we're going to deliver our item to this address. So now we go to process to checkout. Now let's add a new debit card or credit card. So I need a card number. Make sure you have an international transaction enabled debit card or credit card. If you don't have one, just go to your bank and request them to enable your transaction. You guys also can enable international transaction using your mobile banking app. Here as you see, this is the international users, domestic users. If I want to use this card, I need to turn on these settings. So that's simple, that's pretty simple. So if your payment is continuously declining, you need to do these things. I'm going to pay using debit card. I think credit card will charge you more. Debit card maybe save some money. So I will use my card number. I add my card. So card is added. My card currency is India currency. Okay. Click on use this payment method. So now you need to select the address, like the address we copied from this boxonwings.com, this address. So use this address. It's costing me 2053 rupees, but it's not the final. Over that I need to pay some amount of taxes, like I think it's 5%, maybe 20%, I'm not sure. Okay, so that's called sales tax. I think it's 5%. So let's make the payment. As you see guys, my international usage is already turned on, and I think they will not send you any OTP, directly cut the money from bank. So I request you guys, if you are doing any kind of international transaction, please turn it off. Whenever you need to do some transaction, just turn it on. I have a friend whose international transaction was turned on, and he gets some kind of fraud and he lost a couple of thousand rupees. because of turning on the international transactions. Now place your order in INR. Click on place your order in INR. Okay, your order placed. Thanks. So there is no OTP, there is no nothing, and the money will be deducted within 1-2 days. Okay, it's not confirmed. So let's go to Amazon and check the order status. Click on order details. So the arriving time is 25th March to 3rd April. Wait this much amount of time to the package to arrive to our warehouse. I'm importing from Amazon.com because the item is available on Amazon.com, but you guys can import from any trusted e-commerce website from USA using boxonwings.com.
A few days later.
So guys, welcome back, and finally guys, the product get delivered. The delivery is a little bit slow. It took near about 10 to 15 days to deliver the item. On 20 March, it's delivered to my US address, which is provided by boxonwings.com. The delivery guy delivered the package front of their office. This is their office door. So leave the package there, and after a day later, delivery information updated on boxonwings.com portal. So guys, let's go to boxonwings.com. Click here to sign in. Let's click on login. So as you see guys, received boxes on and processing this finalized. So I need to click here. So this is the box. You can see they submit a pictures, uploaded a picture, you see, which is right. This is the address I put while ordering on Amazon.com. Point is on LV, means on pound. The shipping category will be on pound. So pretty small package. You have to provide your box content information here. So quantity on $19.99. In general, describe the what is in your package. So what is in your package? It's a aroma scale professional shop silicone scale shipped. So can I copy it and paste? Save changes. Changes has been saved. Now click on ship. I don't have any shipping address because I'm first time using this boxonwings.com. So I need to add my address, edit address. So first name, my name. Okay, make sure you put your proper address and make sure your address matches with your address proof document. Whatever KYC document you have, that address you need to put on here. If you put any other address, then you have some problem with customs or you have some problem with courier company while delivering, because they will ask all of this document to verify you. John, everything is fine. So save address. So total billing weight, total customs value $19.99. Okay, your shipping address here, write instruction from our warehouse team. So if you want to write any kind of instruction, they're going to charge you $4. Then repack, there is option to repack, so they will pack it for you, repack it and consolidate it. Next step, FedEx 2 to 9 days, 5 to 10 days. I'll choose this one because it can deliver in 2 days. Maybe it's delivered in 9 days. So let's click on ship. So now I can pay using my credit card, debit card. So this is my debit card and I'm going to use this to pay here. So make sure you enable the international transaction on your card. So I'll put my card number. Okay, next click on pay and ship. So guys, good morning, and it's been near about 3-4 days since I received the item using boxonwings.com from USA to India, and yesterday it's arrived in Delhi. After placing the reshipping order on boxonwings.com, they shipped the package next day, also provide me the tracking number. The shipment arrived in India within 4 days. Before that, FedEx sent me an SMS with a link, and as soon as I tap on the link, it took me a FedEx verification phase where I get a form to fill up and upload some of my KYC documents to clear the custom. And last night I got an email from FedEx that they cleared the customs and they paid the custom duty, and the total amount is literally shocking to me. It's around 1799 rupees. So I'll sit here and pay the custom duty. It's pretty simple. You need some kind of like debit card, credit card. You can pay online, or if you want to pay offline, you can do that too. So first, just pay it online. Hi there, your FedEx package number has incurred duty, taxes and fees in the total amount of $799. We cannot process the delivery of your shipment until the amount is collected. To avoid shipment delays, please use the link to pay those charges. Okay, so just pay the charges, click on pay, and it will take you the FedEx sites. Okay, to Kolkata. Okay, so now import duty 855. 800 rupees is for the processing fees, and over that GST is 144 rupees. Total 1799 rupees. So put my email address here. Now accept and process. Bill X, you can pay using credit card, debit card or UPI. I'll pay using debit card or credit card. So thanks for your payment was successful. A confirmation will send to your email address. Okay, as you see, the customs payment was successful. So guys, I paid the custom duty. I was thinking about the custom clearance charges. Means the processing fee on FedEx is around 500-600 rupees, but right now it increased a lot. It's become 944 rupees, so this is quite expensive. And tomorrow they probably deliver it on my doorstep, and I will do a video on there. I have to return my home because I am not right now at my hometown. So today I will return there and I try to record the delivery for you guys. Package will be delivered today. The delivery guy is on my door. Okay. So this is the package. So guys, here is the item delivered today, 2:40 AM. They also sent me the delivery message, and let's see what we have inside this. They mention the value of the item. As you see guys, on the back we have two papers. So this is Boxon Wins commercial invoice, and this is the shipping details. As it's like cosmetics, some kind of cosmetic product, so they put around 200% tax on this item. Also the customs open this box, as you see it's also open, so they probably open it and check the item. So now this is the item guys. It's successfully delivered from USA. Its price was $19 for a $19 product. Importing from USA, it cost us around $65. So is it worth it? Let me know in the comment section below. Today I'm going to Chandni market for some like I'm going to buy some batteries or something like that for my upcoming project. So I thought like why shouldn't I deliver it to her so that she will get it faster. Yeah, give me this location. Here Nizam Hotel. The মালটা আছে মনে হয় কাস্টম থেকে খুলেছিল Tania को रात को हम आएंगे तो लेके आएंगे. Finally, after 20 days later, I successfully delivered the item on Tania's father's hand, and I hope the medicine we imported for her and she recovered soon. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like it, make sure to smack a big thumbs up on this video, and I will meet you on my next video. And if you guys have any question, any suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys want to check boxonwings.com, link is in the description below. And if I have some coupon code or some discount code, I will leave this in the description below. So guys, make sure you check the description, and I will meet you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.